The original Colossal Cave Adventure from 1976 was the origin of all text adventures, dungeon crawl games, and computer-hosted role-playing games. This is the last version released by Crowther and Woods, its original authors, in 1995. It's been known as Adventure 2.5 and 430-point adventure. It's available from the FreeBSD repositories as Open Adventure. And as you can see, it's a text one where you have to type in short commands like south, west, etc. to work your way out through the forest, work out the clues as you go along. And I found a building, so enter, look at the building, if I can spell it. Gives you a short description. There's no graphics here, so you have to use your imagination. And then you can enter the building, and you grab the various objects. Now, I remember during the 1980s where you had 8-bit computers, this was something which we played a lot. Although by that time, some very basic graphics were starting to creep into the games. But there were still some adventures that there were text, like the Scott Adams, etc. So yeah, if you want a taste of the old school adventures using text, this game will fit your needs. It's very well done, by the way. And no, I haven't typed in any colourful metaphors in order to see what the computer would say, as we used to do a lot in the school days on the school computers.